Good evening. If you're new here, welcome. If you already visited my channel, welcome back. Today I'm doing some kind of a new type of video. Not really different, but I bought myself this. So I'm using my smartphone as an external monitor for my Nikon Z52, and I bought a HDMI Type D, so that's a micro HDMI, I believe, and a capture card right here, the gray thingy here, which is going to my phone through USB-C. And what it does, it records the screen of my Nikon Z52, and I can press record button, so it records the screen internally on my smartphone. So that's what I'm doing today, or this evening. I'm going out again. It's nighttime. I'm on my terrace this evening, so I'm doing some nighttime street photography. You might say street photography with the Nikkor Z 16 to 50 millimeters kit lens, and I'm curious how this is going to go. By the way, hi, my name is Peter from Life in Pixels. I'm 47, and what I do on this channel is just make POV type videos where I review lenses, and in this case the Z52 is the only camera I own. Quick disclaimer though, everything you see in this video I bought by myself. I am not sponsored whatsoever. So without further ado, let's hit the road. This is what I was talking about, so I powered on my camera. Now you can see the monitor. What you normally see on your screen right here is mirrored right there, and I can press record. It's a free app, so there will be advertising on the screen, but I don't mind, so I press record. Oh no, that's a snapshot. I press record. There. Now everything is filmed onto my smartphone as extra footage. Oh, police car. Police car right here. Ha. I have the impression that my mounted smartphone is not quite straight. So I'm nearly at the town center. You can hear the church bells ringing. It's 7 o'clock. I'm gonna press record here. And now you will be able to see what the shutter speed, aperture, and ISO I'm shooting at. I'm just gonna go around this block. Let's see. There. And as always in my videos, I will put the pictures on screen, the photographs I take on screen. And at the end of this video, there will be the edited versions, which I do through Lightroom Classic. I edit my photos through that software. So I can take a picture like, let's see. Yeah. All right. Next, the previous video I did in low lights was with the 50 to 250 millimeter budget lens. I will put the card for that on the top right of your screen. I did like the same thing. Ran around the town center and taking pictures with that lens. I really like that cafe. Cozy. Yeah, pretty good. So this one will perform a bit better in low lights because the aperture can go up to, or should I say down to 3.5 all the way zoomed out. Yeah, zoomed out 16 millimeters, 3.5, 0.5, and now Have to look at the all the way zoomed in. It's 6.3. Yeah, I was correct. 6.3 aperture when you zoom in till 50 millimeters. I'm sorry about the noise. There's a lot of traffic. Oh, there was a train coming. Or he's leaving. He's leaving. The train station is always busy, normally in daylight, but you might take some shots in low light. So let's do it. And this is like a tryout for me as well with the screen, the monitor screen I'm recording. Street photography is what I'm trying to get into. You know, it's like a psychological game for yourself, because I'm a little bit scared of the confrontation. Oh, I just noticed my zipper is open. Jesus. Why? Everyone can see my little birdie. Yeah. Let's see. Guy over there. Oh, nice. Nah, that won't be good. That's not good. And she's waving at me, so she saw me. Maybe she will come up to me. Those are pin machines. What do you call them? ATMs. I really like the yellow light of them. So let's take a picture, shall we? Yeah. Nice. So an edited picture or photograph can so much more represent what the original photograph was about. Damn it, I was not recording. Okay, now I am. So this place is where they sell French fries. French fries with mayonnaise. That's what we eat here in Belgium. French fries. They should call them Belgian fries, because it's like a national food here in Belgium. And I should take a picture of the sign. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. There. And I always liked, there's like a playground here, and there's a light shining on a tree right there. Should be a nice composition. You can see it right there. I don't know if I'm pointing in the right direction because you're on my chest and I cannot see the screen. So there it is. And let's try it like this. Yeah, perfect. I will take 2 shots. That's the first. Yeah, pretty good. I like those. I hope this comes out right. This screen. Whoa! Duck, Peter, duck. I take a shot of that sign, the green sign over there. That's the only light we got here in town. Yeah. I really gotta hold the camera quite still, because if you move just a little bit, your photo will get blurry. So the lower you go in shutter speed, the more you have to try and handle your camera, keep it steady. And if that doesn't work, get a tripod. There's one in the link in the description below. I'm just trying to get the same pictures that were in my previous video. Let's take another one, a little bit zoomed out. See, I really gotta hold it steady. There. Yep, pretty good. And of course, as promised, here are the edited photos. Enjoy. I want to thank you for watching. Please watch this video after this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.